Hey traders, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the world of online trading and uncovering the truth about IPO markets. I'm Jordan, and on this channel, we're all about keeping you informed and safe in your trading endeavors. Thinking about venturing into the world of IPO trading with IPO markets? Hold that thought. In this video, we're going to peel back the layers and reveal why many traders are sounding the alarm bells about IPO markets. Stay tuned to find out if they're worth your time and investment. IPO markets may present itself as a reputable platform for IPO trading, but our investigation tells a different story. Traders have encountered a slew of issues, including difficulties withdrawing funds, unexpected fees, and poor customer service. Adding to the concern, IPO markets operates without proper regulatory oversight, leaving traders vulnerable to scams and financial losses. Furthermore, our research has uncovered evidence of misleading advertising and false promises, luring unsuspecting traders into a risky and deceptive environment. We will show more details in further sections. Read our IPO Markets Scam Broker Review for more details. You will get the link in this video description. Before you consider IPO markets for your IPO trading activities, it's essential to understand the risks involved and proceed with caution. If you've had any negative experiences with IPO markets or suspect you're dealing with a fraudulent broker, don't hesitate to reach out. Visit brokercomplaintalert.com for resources and support to safeguard your investments. At brokercomplaintalert.com, we're dedicated to helping victims of crypto and forex scams like Coinfield. Visit our website for expert advice and guidance on recovering your stolen funds. Stay vigilant, and together we can beat the scammers. Thanks for watching.